You know what I think? Intermittent fasting isn't just another diet trend. It's actually changing lives. If you've been scrolling through endless tips on how to boost your health, this is one strategy that's gaining some serious scientific backing. Stay with me because in the next few minutes, you're going to discover how simply not eating for certain periods of time could be the key to transforming your health, both inside and out. Now, here's the kicker. Intermittent fasting isn't just about weight loss. It's about optimizing your body in ways you probably haven't even considered yet. Let's dive in, shall we? Intermittent fasting has a ton of benefits, and I'm going to break down the most impactful ones for you. First up, fasting gives your metabolism a serious boost. Studies show that it can increase your metabolic rate by up to 14%. That's because your body starts using stored fat for energy instead of relying on constant food intake. So, if you're looking to shed some pounds while still eating the foods you love, this could be a game changer. But it's not just your waistline that benefits. Research shows that intermittent fasting can improve brain function. In fact, a study in the Journal of Neuroscience found that it boosts the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which supports brain health and even reduces the risk of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Pretty amazing, right? Okay, here's where things get really exciting. Fasting triggers a process called autophagy. That's when your body starts cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new ones. Think of it as a natural detox for your body on a cellular level. Some scientists even believe that regular fasting can extend your lifespan. Imagine feeling healthier and living longer. Sounds like a win to me. To put it into perspective, a study from the New England Journal of Medicine reported that intermittent fasting could help reduce inflammation, lower the risk of heart disease, and even aid in cancer prevention. So you're probably wondering, all right, this all sounds great, but does it actually work? Well, it's not magic. It's science. And people just like you are experiencing these benefits firsthand. Let me tell you about Emily, who struggled for years with yo-yo dieting. She tried intermittent fasting for just a month and noticed not only weight loss but an improvement in her energy and focus. Here's the bottom line. Intermittent fasting does more than just help you drop a few pounds. It's about better metabolism, sharper brain function, longer life, and potentially preventing serious diseases. And the best part? It's simple. No fancy meal plans, no supplements, just time. Feeling inspired? If you're ready to give intermittent fasting a try, hit that like button and let me know in the comments how you plan to start. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on how to live a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest investment.